freaking face, yo. Besoin pour figure clair. So now Wozy beauty, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to channel la c'est Dinderbest qui entre la caillou pour l'autre vidéo. Alright guys, I know I look crazy, but guess what? Vim jen ka wè li nan title an, mbral fè cheve mwen. Alors mbra recordé non, I was like, bon recordé pour nous, cause wow. Wow, here we go. Here we go. Got the intro now. Let me give you the straw. So, zanmim nan gade intro, but mba pou fel anko no. Mba pou fel anko. So, konya m di bam recorde pou nou, mpa recorde, and then pada m tap turn ni, I was like, bam recorde pou nou. But sem tel ma ge video pou m edit, guys. Tel ma ge video pou m edit, it's crazy, cause jam te kon ap edit video, te kon pram so many times, so long pou m te ka edit, parce ke m te kon ap use iPad and stuff like that. Okay, lo a fait un bagay ou new la den, cause like I said, the video m poste yo, nte vraiment new sur YouTube, stuff like that, pour edit tout ça, te kon pram tan. I was like, bon mwa don moun pou mwen eske kon sa, but shout out to my cousin, shout out to my friend, boyfriend, ki ede mwen like, mbat konen. So they was like, you need a computer. I got myself a computer, it make it so easy pour l'ap edit, like oh my god, ti moun ni vraiment tellement facile l'ap edit koun ka edit now, baby. Prepare to be sick of me, okay? Cause nou a joun video, prepare to be sick of like even ou pap touche, ou pa go kob wapotre pou sa, but if you wanna do it, baby, just do it, okay? Just do it, just invest. So I was like, bon record it, since I know the game now, I know how to edit. Nde toujou kon edit, but edit me te kon like pran tan, okay? But you guys, let's get it to the point of this video. Apre lem fin pe yon pale nan Utah. But this lady, li fin dim get this stuff, but my face, back on the nou ka we, my face, like right here, moi figi vraiment découlé. Like I said, goals mwen pour 2025, I really want to take care of myself. I really want to take care, especially my face, especially my skincare. I really want to get that. So, m'tale acheter de toi skincare, li te dim dese de pral avek figi mwen, but m'achete yo. La fini, I use them morning, night, mwen pa fanyen. So, mgen yon zanmim ki te voye some product pou mwen, and then mgen 2 clients ki pale m de same product, so mbral achete yo pou mwen si face mwen, cause this really bother me. So I really want my face, I want a clear freaking face, yo. Mbezon pou figure clair. But yeah, guys, malante ko zanmim nan la pou start getting my hair done, baby. Prepare to be sick of me. So now Wozy beauty, okay? Like that. Konan welcome as a special guys. I'm excited. I don't know. Camera everywhere. Konan la welcome as Wozy beauty. Yo, so okay. Mbal mette nou kote la, mbal set up nou kote pou nou ka gade on ti kas nan process la. And then mbal mette Instagram ni bala, okay? Pour nous follow my girl. Book appointment with my girl, okay? So Haya, smell la chalky. Some la chalky.
Bagay, chez tracé pour moi, please.
My bad.
Yo, pas, c'est pas.
My bad. Yeah, we got food, okay? Okay, guys. So kunya no prale na I'm gonna bring badge and everything. I was talking about the Walmart.
Yeah, to get the curls.
Kunya now we're going after this. We're going to Walmart
Curls,
to get the roller for curls.
Okay, you
Na
know
pwe
it.
tale. Écoutez fem. Si vous me fem riche, mbada pou.
C'est pas appris à ça? Actually, what is... Et pas pour balayer?
Nan bon pharmacie hein? Men nan.
Yes, that's food.
E pi fè sa vò, mbak nou vend wolo nan bay sa non? Was he? Here we go. Yeah. We back. Let me zoom y'all. Hold up. Are you guys with it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ou akon bay sa sur TikTok like. Ou akon trend sa? Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Look at that. Slay. Okay, let me. Bon for tournage. Tournage. Oh, ou belle ville. Okay. This is the back. Hopefully, no car will be. This is the back. Okay, that's the front. That's what I asked. Okay, and baby, when I tell you, that's what I got. That's what I got. Okay, but yeah, guys, say. Sa mte pote pou nou sou chanel la, e malheureusement, mte gen pou mte nan fè lot pakou, but gen unexpected, pakou ki fè tout sa, so, I hope nou enjoy li, nou vraiment enjoy li, and then, like I said, depi nan komanseman, ma mette Instagram, Rosie Beauty, okay, ma mette Instagram, ma mette YouTube li, guys, please follow her, because she's my boo, she's gonna get your girl right every time, okay, so, ma mette informasyon ni, down below, and then subscribe and then follow sur Instagram ni please, okay? And then merci déjà avec chaque monde qui t'a regardé vidéo dans commencement jusqu'à ce que vidéo a fini. Pour nous te body like very nous t'es vraiment patient même j'aime des patients, okay? So guys, pas oublier chaque l'an monter sur channel n'a regardé nos vidéos, voyez bon famou, voyez ba aux amour pour nous agrandir qui ça channel là, okay? Et après notre vidéo encore. Bye.